Alright, here's a LiftMaster garage opener. At my aunt and uncle's house, this is a LiftMaster 8365, I believe. Plus it's a chain drive. Now, a couple years ago, there used to be a craftsman opener there, but we had it replaced because this button, there used to just be a push button and there wasn't a keypad, and plus the panel, there was 5 panels, and then the fifth panel would only go up to right here and it didn't go all the way back, and I didn't like that, so we had this opener replaced. So here's the lock. Here's the wall button. I have a learn lock. There's the light. So we're gonna go ahead and run the door up. Now this thing, it's not really quiet, but it does run pretty smooth. So we're gonna run up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, up. Voila! Now we're gonna run it back down here, and we'll put it back up. Alright. Now we'll run it back up and give you the outside here. Hope I don't burn the motor out, because that would be bad. By the way, that's the wheels that squeak. There's the sensors, and then here's the other one. See the door, when it was a craftsman, it just, this panel would only go up to right here, and there was no keypad here, so that's why we had the opener replaced. So here's a keypad, so what I can do is I can enter in a code. Oh boy. Now I'm going to open it back here. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the code. Really nice door. Here's the remote. This model is the 893LM model. It's a new model. I'll tell you what. We're gonna Alright. Once again. There you go. Alright, see, there's the keypad. There's the sensor, and then here's the other sensor. Now, you know what? I want to show you something. Look at this. I can just hit the enter button. And look at that. Voila. I'll tell you what. Alright. I'm gonna run it up one last time, because I'm not, and then that's it. I don't want to burn the motor out, so I'm gonna turn it out, and we're gonna do it on 3. 1, 2, 3, open. Hope I don't burn the motor out, because that would be bad. Okay. Alright. Now I'm gonna put it down one last time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, down. And that's gonna be after this. Alright. Alright. Now we'll turn the lights on here once again. Alright, that's enough for I'm not gonna run it again because I don't want to burn the motor out, but once again, I believe this model is the 8395, I believe. I don't know which model this is. I'm trying to think. 8. I think it's so far there's the 83 I don't know this model. I believe it's the, I think it's the 83. Let me look at the remote real quick here. I believe it's the 8395, I believe. I don't know, I have to look it up, but I'm sorry, but I kind of forgot, but yeah, that's a quick video of the garage opening here at my aunt's house once again. So, there you go. And that's the new opener. This opener, it's not really quiet, but it's a little quiet, but it's not very quiet like a DC motor, but it does run really smooth. So, thanks for watching. That's it.